Watch this video closely. I think it was made with VO, or maybe Sora. Think again. This was actually made using a cutting-edge Chinese AI tool that most people don't even know exists. It's called Magi. And here's the best part. I'm going to show you how to use it for free with unlimited generations. Today, I'm not just sharing a cool tool, I'm handing you the keys to unlock its full potential. Finding tools like this takes serious digging. AI is evolving at lightning speed, and my goal is to cut through the noise and bring you only the most powerful, game-changing tech. If you value these kinds of discoveries, do me a solid, hit that subscribe button like this video and tap the notification bell. It's totally free for you, but it means the world to me and helps keep this channel running with high-quality content. Alright, let's get you started. To get started, scroll down to the description and click the link to access Magi. The first step is signing up, basically unlocking the gateway to your new content studio. Hit the sign up button. The process is straightforward. I'll enter my random name, fbaloo, along with an email and a password of my choice. Do you want unlimited Google accounts like this for Magi? Just follow these steps. Open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Create 100 email addresses using Gmail's plus alias format so that all messages sent to them will be delivered to fbluebusiness222@gmail.com. The Gmail address I used here is your choice. It's where you'll receive all the verification emails you need. Once ChatGPT generates the list, just copy any of the email addresses it shows. Now, here's a quick explanation. Everything after the plus sign in a Gmail address is ignored by Google, but Magi still reads it as a unique email. That means you can create multiple Magi accounts using just one Gmail inbox. Too lazy to generate a list? No problem. Just type fbluebusiness222 plus anything at gmail.com when signing up on Magi, and it'll still send all emails to your main Gmail. Once that's done, it's time to verify your account. Just head to your inbox, find the email from Magi, and click the verification link. And that's it. You're in. Next, we'll click on Create New Project. And this is where Magi really stands out. There's no cluttered timeline, no overwhelming set of controls, just a simple open workspace. It feels more like a digital whiteboard where you can drop in your ideas and link them together to build your project. It's a fresh, creative, and user-friendly approach. From here, you'll see two main options. On the right is Select from Assets, basically your project history where any files you've used before live. Since we're starting from scratch, choose the Upload from Device button on the left instead. For this demo, I'm importing a high-resolution shot of a warrior in a library to really test Magi's quality. The image pops onto our canvas. This is our launchpad. To animate it, hover over the picture and click the small ++ icon, the nerve center of Magi's workflow. A menu appears. Pick the option to turn this still into a video, and we're off. This brings up the control panel. First, you'll see the motion prompt. This is where you guide the AI on how you want the image to move. Below that, you can set the duration and choose how many variations you want to generate. My tip, always leave the Enhance Prompt box checked. It helps the AI refine your input for even better results. And don't stress about credits just yet. I'll show you a simple workaround for that in a moment. Let's go ahead and hit generate. After a short wait, your videos are ready. Now here's some real talk, and this part's important. When using powerful free AI tools like this, your first result might not be perfect. You might notice odd movements or small glitches. That's totally normal. Don't let one imperfect output make you think the tool isn't good. This is part of the creative process. Tweak, retry, and improve. This is a creative process built on iteration. If the first version doesn't hit the mark, generate another. Adjust your prompt. Try using a simpler image, something with fewer complex details. The real magic happens when you experiment. And here's something to keep in mind. This technology is evolving at an insanely fast pace. Whatever flaws or glitches you see now, that's the lowest quality this tool will ever be. It's only going to get smarter, smoother, and more powerful week by week. Right now, you're getting in at the ground level. Here's an important tip. When you click generate, you'll probably see a message saying your job has been added to a queue. Don't worry, that's totally normal. Since we're using the free unlimited method, we don't get priority over paid users. So there might be a short wait, but usually it only takes a few minutes. Just be patient, let the AI do its thing, and your result will be ready before you know it. Alright, let's put that idea to the test using a different kind of image. This time I'm uploading an AI generated street scene. Not a real photo, so the quality isn't top tier to begin with. Now let's see how Magi handles it. And as you can see, even with this kind of input, the results are still surprisingly impressive. Now we've hit the limit credits. Every time you generate something, it uses up your free balance. And this is usually where 99% of people either give up or reach for their wallet. But we're not doing that. I told you I'd give you the keys to the kingdom, and I stand by that. What I'm about to show you is a simple yet incredibly powerful workaround that keeps you creating without spending a dime. Alright, pay close attention. This is where the real magic happens. First, log out of your current Magi account by clicking your profile and selecting log out. Now we'll sign up again, but this time using a clever Gmail trick generated by ChatGPT. For example, my base email is fbluebusiness222@gmail.com. I'll take one of the aliases, like fbluebusiness222 plus 099@gmail.com, and paste that into Magi during registration. Here's why this works, and it's brilliant. It takes advantage of how email systems and websites interpret addresses differently. For Magi, every character in your email is treated literally. So, fbluebusiness222@gmail.com and fbluebusiness222 plus 099@gmail.com look like completely separate users. When you register with the Plus version, Magi gives you a brand new account with fresh credits and sends a verification email to that address. But for Gmail, it's a different story. Gmail ignores anything after the plus sign in your address. That means all emails sent to fbluebusiness222 plus 099@gmail.com will still land in your original inbox, fbluebusiness222@gmail.com. Let's break it down. Magi thinks it's a new user, new account, new credits. Gmail knows it's still you. Delivers the email to your main inbox. It's a perfect, effortless loophole. And look at this. I just got the new verification email in my main inbox. I click verify, and just like that, I'm back inside Magi with a brand new account and a full set of fresh credits. Simple, powerful, unlimited. Now, it's possible that one day Magi could patch this loophole. So what's our plan B? It's simple. Either use multiple Gmail accounts or go with a temporary email. Just head over to tempmail.org, copy the temporary email address, and paste it into the Magi sign-up form. Then go back to TempMail and scroll down. That's where you'll find the verification email from Magi. Click verify and boom, you're in. Quick, easy, and still completely free. And just to show you this trick really works over and over again, I'll pick another image and let the AI work its magic. As you can see, we're back to generating content for free. No paywall, no limits, just unrestricted creative freedom. So there you have it, a powerful new image to video tool, a unique visual workspace, and a clever method to unlock unlimited free use. Every day, the walls around AI creativity are crumbling. The power is shifting, from people with expensive equipment to creators with bold ideas. And now you've got another secret weapon in your toolkit to bring those ideas to life. If this guide helped you discover something valuable, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe, and help support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.